Bro.
Yeah, bro.
Bro. Dude. Avengers Infinity War.
That's what we just got back from. Best movie ever. 100%.
All rise.
All rise the whole time. Y'all know normal movies, like, especially these big climactic ones that you've been waiting for years.
6 years.
6 years. Like Batman v Superman. Slow build up, story, all the way till they finally fight in the end. They said, screw that. We're Marvel. We do what we want. And also, spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. Let me just go ahead and start with that. Because they said, screw that. Let's kill Loki in the first 5 minutes.
That happened.
So it starts off with Thanos jumping in the ship.
And he already has the Power Stone. Kills
half of the Asgardians. Beats up Thor. Loki tries to kill him. Thanos says, nah, dog. Grabs him by the throat. Boom. Crushes his throat. He dead.
He beats up the Hulk.
Hulk comes in, tries to fight him. Boom, bada bing. He said, not today, you green mother trucker. And kicks his ass. Hulk be crying home to mama. Mm-hmm. Then he kills the Asgardian guard. Heimdall. I can never remember that. I'm not really good with names. This kid knows all the names. Kills Heimdall. After he ports Hulk to Earth.
Yep.
Good. Just right off the bat. 2 people dead. I hope y'all were prepared for that.
Just happens.
So yeah, that's how it opens up. And he blows up the spaceship that Thor's on and all the people, so.
Yeah.
Anyways, welcome to Keeping Up with Gaming. Today's a little bit of a different video. As you can tell, we're doing a film. So I don't have Keeping Up with Film yet. Keeping Up with Films? Keeping Up with Movies? I don't know. Haven't had that yet. But I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. Because this movie was absolutely fantastic. And I'm going to be so generous. Like, we look at these things we got. Like, look at this cup, bro. Like,
$16.
It's nice for everything. Worth it. We got this shirt. We're all about it. And we finessed several of these right here. These very nice posters that you can only get if you went to the premiere showing of it. So what I'm going to do for you guys, because this channel's not very big yet. I do have Keeping Up with Crypto. Go check it out. Over 1,000 subscribers. I've only been doing it since the beginning of this year. But I'd really love for this channel to grow. But let's say somehow this video hits 10,000 views. If it does, I'm going to give away one of the posters to one of you lucky subscribers who didn't get to go to a premiere but still wants a poster. So I hope you guys really are excited about that. All you have to do is like, comment, say something positive like we love your videos or something like that. And say I want to win a poster. And then subscribe. And you'll be in the drawing. Yeah, so let's see if we can hit 10,000 subscribers. I mean, not subscribers. 10,000 views.
That'd be pretty crazy.
If we hit 10,000 subscribers, y'all get a lot more than a poster. We hit 10,000 subscribers, you can have my car. Don't quote me on that. I just got it. I just got a car. I just got a 2018 Kia Optima. Doesn't matter. You're not getting my car. Don't be greedy. Anyways, back to the movie. From there, he already has 2 stones because he got the Power Stone to start off with, and then whenever he killed Loki, he took the
stone from the Tesseract.
Yeah, the stone from the Tesseract, moves straight on to get the Power Stone, which he gets on in Nowhere, right? Yeah, in Nowhere.
It was for the Reality Stone.
It was that Reality Stone. Reality Stone in Nowhere, where his daughter comes into play. Jordan, take it from there.
All right, so basically Thanos just plays them with the Reality Stone, thinking that, something's going to go down in their head, but really doesn't. Really doesn't
happen. He makes it seem like his daughter was able to, Gamora, right? Gamora was able to kill him. Like, she stabbed him in the throat, he was dead. Nope. This is also not a kid's movie, just so you know. There's a lot of death, like gruesome Pretty graphic death, to be honest with you guys. So don't take your kids unless they're ready for that. But yeah, wasn't real. She didn't really kill him. And then he takes her and makes her show him where the soul stone is. And this is the big thing that everybody was like, oh, where's the soul stone? I have a theory. It's here. Even game theorists did. A lot of people thought it was Wakanda. You were wrong. Again, spoiler alert. It's on this other planet. And she found it. She tried to lie to him, but he knows that she was a liar. Takes her there. She takes him there. And it's guarded by Red Skull, of all people. Like, I was not expecting that.
So that's where Red Skull went after Captain America: The First Avenger.
Yeah, apparently. And basically, he got the stone and held it at one point, but it just didn't pan out for him. So now he just guides people to it. So he guided Thanos and Gamora to it, and you're just overlooking this giant cliff, and basically he tells them, in order to get it, you have to trade a soul for a soul, and you have to give up your most beloved. Yeah. And so Gamora started laughing, thought, oh, the universe has played you, Thanos, because you don't love anyone. So you can't get it. And then he just turns around with tears. And she's like, why are you crying? And then Red Skull was like, those are not tears for him. They're tears for you. And she realizes that, oh shit, he actually does love her. Yep. And then he proceeds to throw her off the cliff and kill her. Like, God. Like, oh my God.
And then Thanos wakes up in water with the Soul Stone.
With the Soul Stone. Boom. 4 stones down already. They're also fighting on Earth. They're fighting his henchmen, his 4 dark henchmen. There's actually supposed to be 6, but there's only 4 in this one.
It's actually the 3rd stone.
No, he has the...
Oh, it's the 4th stone.
That is the 4th stone. 4th stone. And then they're all fighting them on Earth and stuff and trying to find the Time Stone and also the Mind Stone that's sitting on Vision's head. But Thanos then teleports to his old home planet, which is just devastated, because that's where Iron Man, Doctor Strange, Spider-Man, and then some of the Guardians of the Galaxy are. Drax, yeah, all of them. And then the Star-Lord are, because they hijacked the ship, killed off one of the henchmen, crash-landed there, and they proceed to fight Thanos, and they were winning. Like, what the heck? They were winning! And then the Star-Lord screwed it all up. They had him held down. They were trying to take the gauntlet off. If they got the gauntlet off, they could win. But and the mantis lady with the ears, whatever her name is, got on top. Put Thanos to sleep, kind of, so they could give him some time to take off the gauntlet. They were trying to take it off, and then Star-Lord came up and then realized that Gamora was dead, and got upset about it. Obviously got super upset, and they were like, "Don't do it. Just hold off for now. We got to get this gauntlet off. You don't want to wake him up." Doesn't care about the whole rest of the universe. Just punches the crap out of Thanos. Thanos wakes up. They were just slipping the gauntlet off. Takes it, knocks Spider-Man, Iron Man, all of them out. He said, I'm done playing games. And messes them all up. And then Iron Man, whose suit... Oh,
his
boy.
Suit. Oh, my gosh. He stepped up his game.
He stepped it up.
Like times 100.
Too high.
That suit was badass.
Badass. You just have to see it in person. Like, I'm talking, he has a nanotech now. It's absolutely ridiculous. Best thing I've ever seen from Iron Man. And Iron Man is my favorite superhero I want to say by far, but Thor's coming back because I think Thor's good. He's funny now and I like it. But yeah, Iron Man almost dies. He stabs him. Thanos stabs him in the stomach. And to trade for his life, Doctor Strange offers him the Time Stone. And we're like, why would you do that? Why would you do that?
But hold up. Before that, just a little bit before that, Doctor Strange is over there just like calculating every single outcome. And that there is only 1 out of
14 million
and 5. 14 million and 5.
Something like that. Outcomes and only 1 that they win. So, right. And then, so we're all kind of leading to the idea that maybe this is his master plan. Because he gave it over really easily just to save Iron Man's life. I'm like, that's not a fair trade. But whatever. Moving on. Thanos travels to Wakanda.
Yeah.
There's a war breaking out between the aliens and the Wakandans and all of them.
Yep. Thanos' army.
And they tried to extract the Mind Stone out of Vision's head. Didn't have enough time. So Wanda had to destroy it. And by doing that, you kill Vision. And they have this love affair, and it's fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
And as she does it, Thanos is trying to attack her. She's like fighting him off this way and destroying the gem or the stone in this hand, and finally destroys it just before Thanos gets to her. And then he was like, no. We don't play that game here.
So it's like reverse.
Boom! Reverse! Hell yeah! Beep! 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 Get that reverse in, brings Vision back, and says, nah, boy, that's mine. Reaches on his head and just rips it out, holding his dead corpse up, just throws it aside like you're nothing. Puts in the gem. Boom. Full Infinity Gauntlet. And we're just like, son of a... Anyways, then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, Thor, boom, pops in. We didn't tell you about that yet. Thor got a new hammer that he made. They made themselves. They went to where they made Mjolnir, and they got, is it a Stormbreaker?
So
badass ass.
An axe.
It's an axe hammer. So it's like an axe on one side, hammer on the other. It's a badass. And the handle is Groot, because they couldn't find the handle. Thor was dying, and Groot cut off his arm. Boom, formed it to the hammer, and then Thor took the hammer and was empowered. And now is the baddest ass character in the freaking show. Has the most power out of anybody. And then he sees Thanos with a full gauntlet, throws his hammer at him. Thanos full charge like beam from the gauntlet, like fires it at the hammer. The hammer cuts right through it like butter. Does not care if you have all 6. Right to the chest. Yep. Thanos is hurt, like bad. Thor comes in, starts pushing it in. It's like, this is what you get. Like, he was like, I told you, you will die for what you did. And killing Loki, you know? And then Thanos is like, you should have gone for the head, boy. And boom. Half of humanity's dead. Yep. Just snap of the fingers. We're talking Black Panther gone. We're talking half of the Wakandan warriors gone, half of the planet gone, half of everything in the universe. We're talking all of the Guardian of the Galaxy is gone. All die, all disappear, except for Rocket was the only one of them. We lose Bucky. We lose a lot. A lot, guys. Like, almost everybody. And I can tell you this. I am a man. But tears came down my face when I had to watch Spider-Man.
That was so sad. Spider-Man
die. In this man right here. This man. This boy, like, however old he's, like 15, 16 or something.
Yeah.
Basically, like, you can see him just disappearing, and he just wants to be like, I'm not feeling good, Tony or Stark, you know, and just disappearing, and he's like, I don't want to die. And there's nothing Tony can do, and like, he just hugs Tony as he's dying, and like, just right in the feels. God bless. It's crazy. And Thanos then teleports to this other realm where he sees Gamora as a little girl again. She asks him, "Did you get what you wanted?" And he was like, "Yes." And then she was like, "But what did it cost you?" He said, "Everything." Because he did. He lost everything.
Yep. For
an ideal. And that's kind of where it left off. Right there, obviously, cliffhanger. And that's just how it goes. We have to wait another year for another Avengers movie. Right. Oh, well. But I hope you guys liked this video. We just wanted to get it out real quick. I just wanted to just share our experience with you. We love the movie. And I again, like, comment, subscribe to win this poster. If we get 10,000 views, boom, it could be one of y'all. Share with your friends and family. And then next time, keep up with us on Keeping Up with Gaming. See you guys.
See you.